What's the meaning of constituent assembly? Constituent assembly. Constituent assembly.
Constituent assembly. Constituent assembly. A constituent assembly is a body of representatives elected or appointed by a population to draft or revise a constitution or other fundamental document. The result of a constituent assembly can vary, but it typically involves the creation of a new constitution or the revision of an existing one. Constituent assemblies are often convened after a major political change, such as a revolution or the overthrow of a dictatorship, to establish a new constitutional framework for a country. The process can be highly contentious, and the resulting constitution may reflect compromises among different factions within the assembly.